Okay, for those who don't know, what is to start a classic motorcycle? Well, first, it has a choke down here. Some of the motorcycles have it, some of them don't. And the choke is right there. So when it's cold temperatures, you need to pull out the choke, but because it's warm, it should be able to start right up. So right now I have a back brakes on. Right now it's on neutral. And then what I normally do is I turn the key to on ignition. It's a neutral, it's showing there. And then on kill switch, I hit it to start. And I like to pull the clutch and then hit the start button. That's basically what it is. And that's how you start a classic motorcycle. And then if you want to just shut it down, all you got to do is just hit this button here and it kills it. And then just turn it off, pull the key out. It's that simple. Again, turn it on. It's on neutral. And then hit the start button. There you go. That's it. So right now I'm gonna go for a cruise. And I got a lot to talk about on this motorcycle here. You know, back in the days I drove a small motorcycle, nothing like this. And this is heavy. Right now I'm on gear. This baby is heavy. I like to release the clutch little by little. Ease out the clutch. I love the ride. The only thing that I don't like is the people, man. It's like you try to wear bright clothes and they still can't see you. I just like to cruise. That's it. I don't like to gun it or nothing. Slow down and stop. That's basically what I like to do, cruising. But yeah, when I first got this bike, I was like, wow, it's a heavy one. It's not a beginner's bike, but I love it. I use it like the back brake and the front brake. This is where I set my right turn signal. Watch out for traffic because they don't respect you. Nobody cares. Out the clutch. I learned pretty quick.